Hey there, in this video, I'm going to compare the Microsoft Planner with Monday.com, and I'm going to share with you some important things that you need to know and what I actually recommend to use for what. Now, primarily, I'm going to be right now honest and I'm going to share with you the important things straight up. So Planner is like a task management tool for small teams that are starting to do task management. You can really report from it. If you manage more than 2 small projects, it's very cumbersome to manage with this tool. Now, what is really good about it is that this is the primary thing, is that I'm going to be honest, the Microsoft Planner is like boring tool and it's like really simplistic. And if you're looking to manage just one small project with like 3 people and you know that you're not going to have a plenty of sprints, you're not going to have a lot of issues with the project, it's just simple things that the planner can be effective. Another really good thing about Microsoft is that you can easily connect it with other Microsoft products and the whole like ecosystem is working well. So in this regard, the Microsoft Planner can be useful. On the other hand, with Monday, like I'm just going to show what you can do here. So you're going to have a grid here, you're going to have a board here, you're going to have a charts here, you're going to have a schedule, and here you're going to have like, that's pretty much it, right? Then you can have, let's say you're going to have also a project, but this is like completely different tool. But I just wanted to talk about the planner. But with Monday.com, the first thing, this isn't just my feeling, the Monday.com just looks more cool. I know it's it's not a good comparison, but that's something really important, that it just feels good to use it. Here when I'm going to have plus, here you have table, you have Gantt, you have chart, which is much better. The reporting is better. Then you're gonna have also the Kanban, file gallery, form, blank view, and then you're gonna have plenty other apps that you can integrate it with. So for much bigger projects, Monday.com will be much useful comparing to Planner. Now, when I'm going to even have here, like add a new task. So you can have it finish. I can have it information here, and you can see right here. So you can assign it. You can have bucket, progress, the priority, if it's repeat, add attachment, comments. Here, when I'm going to look here, so main table, I'm going to have like a task here, open the task, and I can have files, I can have activity log. If I want to, I can click plus here, or even I can just add a multiple essentials and just more columns comparing to Planner. So here, look, I have all these columns that I can add to Monday.com, but right here with the Microsoft Planner, it's pretty limited what I can do here, right? I just can't add more here. So in the moment I just open it, I can't add more. But yes, for the board, if you're gonna have like to do, progress, done, and you're gonna have a Kanban style, in this regard, is fine, right? It's simple. But this is not something that you would be like really complex. I just wanted to make this like really quick comparison for you if you're thinking about like using Microsoft Planner and you're deciding between Monday.com and Microsoft Planner. Like Monday.com is dominating Microsoft Planner. I'm going to be honest right now. So that's pretty much it. And hope this video helped you a little bit, and have a great day and goodbye.